Hi everybody, today I'll show you how to share posts on Instagram story. So let's just begin. So as you can see here that we are already inside our Instagram profile. Now to share a post in the story is pretty simple. All you need to do is to click on any picture of the post. So you're gonna tap on this, and now to share this as a story, you have to tap on this button. Now you can see the option of add to story. So we have to tap on that. Now you'll be able to see that we can share the post on the story. So we only have to tap on this button and we have to click on share. We have to click on done. And now our post has been shared on our Instagram story. So I'm going to go back. I'm going to simply tap on my profile picture and you'll be able to see we have our post on the Instagram story. So this is how we can share posts on Instagram story. So if you really find this video useful, hit the like button and subscribe the channel.